Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. My name is Nikki. In today's video, I will be sharing with you what I spend in a week as a person living in Atlanta. So if you're interested in that content, then let's get right into it. If this is your first time seeing my video, then welcome to my channel. I share lifestyle and sneaker content over here. I am on a debt-free journey. I did have to pause paying off my student loans because I'm trying to purchase a home. And to be honest, the student loans are actually helping my credit more so than harming it, because it's the longest thing that I've had on my credit and it's in good standing. So my goal this year is to actually pay off all of my credit cards, or at least get the balances down. So these dates are going to range from the 27th of May all the way up until the 2nd of June. Next video starting next Sunday will be actually like a vlog style video. So I've been watching a lot of different what I spend in a week type of content, and I like different varieties. I don't want to just be boring and just sitting here just telling you guys what I actually spent. I want to actually show you, and I want you to see me in like in my lifestyle, actually spending money on the things that I enjoy, that I need in my home, that I'm purchasing for my kids and things like that. So let's get right into what I spend in the week. Before I get into that though, I do want to say that I have two different checking account and two different savings account. I use one of my checking account for bills and expenses. I have a savings account attached to that specific checking, and then I have whatever is left over from my paycheck and from the bills and expense account and my savings account going into a separate checking account, which I use for like my free spending. So I buy sneakers with that, I eat out with that, I buy margaritas with that. I do all of the things that I normally would do like a normal person with that specific account. So first account, which is the bills and expense account, I spent $168.79, which is not bad for the week. The things I actually bought from that account or with that account is I did some batteries and things like that from Dollar Tree that cost me $5.26. I also went to PetSmart. You know, sometimes I have to go to PetSmart and get Henry some food. So for PetSmart, I spent $4.58. For Canva, I spent $12.95. That's a subscription that I'm on. I have the Canva Pro because I'm a content creator and I actually use Canva to create thumbnails. I do my Pinterest pins and things like that. So I use it for a whole lot of different things. I also paid my APCU credit card, which was $25. And I sent, I paid my credit card bill for Capital One, which was $34 as well. I had another subscription of Social Curate. That subscription is $37 per month. Then I also sent my sister $50 because she did look out for me with picking up my son on Friday and taking him to his grandmother because I had to work and I didn't have anyone else to watch him. So I sent her $50 for gas. Now with my flexible spending account, I guess I would call it that. My flexible spending account, meaning that I spend money wherever, however, I spent $256.59. Now, if you are following me on TikTok, then you would know that once I'm paid, I have $1,500 going into my bills and expense account. I have $250 going into my savings account, and then whatever is left goes into my flexible spending account. So this particular paycheck, I had over $400 going into my flexible spending account. So I had a little bit of money to do some things this pay period, because last pay period I only had $92 to play with. So this pay period, or this week, I spent Amazon. I spent the most money on Amazon, and that was $65.31. And then I also bought me a jar of margarita. I love this margarita that is made by 1800. It comes already mixed. All I have to do is just add my salt, add my lime, add my ice, and then just pour it in there and I'm good to go. And then I also went thrifting, you guys. So I bought some jeans from Uptown Cheapskate, and that cost me $40.25. Then I bought a WordPress theme for my new page that I'm going to be creating. I'm creating a new website for my budgeting content, because I think now it's time to actually separate business from the personal brand. So just call me Nikki. It's my personal brand. It's me as an individual living life on a budget, but I'm gonna have a budgeting brand as far as me helping people get organized with their finances. So I did purchase a website theme for that, and that was $44.99. I also went to Dollar Tree again. I spent $1.33. I went to McDonald's and spent $6.76. I got coffee and a I want to say a sausage biscuit or maybe an apple pie. I can't really remember. If I have the video, I would definitely put it on the screen. And then I went to BP for coffee again and ice. Y'all know I'm addicted to the Starbucks coffee in the jar. I love the mocha frappuccino, so that's my favorite. I spent $9.46 on that. Then I also got coffee, and that was $9.52. Went to McDonald's again for my son and myself, and I spent $10.67. And then I sent an additional $40 to Capital One with that account. So that's pretty much all of everything that I spent money on this week. So I don't think it really wasn't that bad. It wasn't over $1,000 like that previous week was. I actually, in total, I spent $425.38. So I'm very pleased with that amount. But yeah, you guys, if you guys are interested in just getting organized with your finances, I do have a budgeting workbook that I use. I teach a lot of my budgeting content over on TikTok. I will leave my TikTok down in the description box along with the budgeting workbook, just in case you are interested. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Be looking out for the next video next Sunday, you guys, with what I spend in a week. So see you guys then. Bye.